Also, we can in the Pandas use Dataframe for the more beautiful visualization of data. Let's say we already have the population dictionary, and if you would like to do that more presentable, then you can write like population columns and give the name of the columns. Like in our case, in Russian, it's the население. Yes. Then also you can give this kind of loops in the data frame. Here we write like we have some index first with the some number I, and the second it will be the second degree of the I. Yes, for I we use the range for. It means that from the 0 till the 3, because our indexes in Python starts from 0. Then we write pd data frame data, and as we see there is the two columns. If when we give the 0 to the I, it will be 0. When we give the 1, it will be 1. When we give the 2, it will be the second degree of 2. It's the 4, 3, like this. It's the more visible. Then we use this kind of structures. Also in data frame, we use like this. In data frame, we use structures where we have not enough the parts. Then as you see here in first dictionary we have A, B, but we haven't got C. In the second dictionary we have B, C, but we haven't got A. Then in that case this data frame object use the operator none, not a number. It means that there is no number for the C. Here if you add C and push the button run, here it is. But if you haven't got any parts of this dictionary, then it will show you none. And also in data frame we can write like this. We have two dictionaries, is population and area, and you can give some names and do that more visible and more presentable tables. And also we can use in the data frames NumPy libraries. In that case, we use NumPy to giving some numbers, random numbers with the 3 rows and the 2 columns. Our columns will be called first and second, but it can be the another words. It depends on the requirements of this. And then for the index we use A, B, C. It means that we have 3 rows with the name A, B, C, and the 2 columns with the first and second. Yes, and this NumPy library will choose us the random numbers, and here it is. The NumPy gives us the random numbers.